And here are also some motorbikes. I'm also curious if I'm sounding different when I'm recording this stuff here with my smartphone. And here is an old Honda Moped CB50 Simson Enduro S51. And this, what's that? $111Z or something like that. No, it's an MZ. Schopau. So this is for the German Democratic Republic. MZ. Here's an old NSU bike. Also really a beautiful bike. Also I'm more into cars, but yeah, take a look at this here. Beautiful NSU. Weltmeister. So it's an NSU Max 251 OSB from 1955. Beautiful Max. And here the MZ. Oh, here the Speedster is leaving. And here Fiat. What am I saying? Ducati. It's not even owned by Fiat. It's owned by Volkswagen already. 750 SS. Here an old Simson. And here's the old Kreidler. So the Kreidler is what we have had here in the West, and the guys in the East, they had this here. This was called the Schwalbe, if I'm not mistaken. The Kreidler is the Florett. And here are some more bikes. I'm almost done with everything. This is a Horex, also pretty cool. Here Norton Commando 750S, amazing guys, absolutely amazing. Oldsmobile, also really beautiful car. Very nice. Just check it out here, beautiful. Now I'm trying to film this Cadillac. Ah, well, also it's just leaving maybe, but I mean, the engine hood is open, so maybe not. But take a look at these guys here. Not sure if it's the Fleetwood, Eldorado, or the DeVille maybe. Maybe I will find out. Here to stand something at the rear end. It's a Coupe DeVille. Amazing looking. And here's the Oldsmobile 88, guys, 88. And it's really leaving now. Goodbye.